let's take one. Hold on.
ഒരാളുടെ ഇത് കൊടുക്കും മറ്റേ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മാറത്തേത് वेलकम करिए समोसा
Thank you.
ए सुनो ऐसे गुड कूलर लगा फैन
खूब गरम हो जगन्नाथ पड़ोसी ना ये साइड वाली थाना बढ़िया असला आवाज बोलने की ना ओके 17-20 नो नो सर अब मैं आ गया तो मैं अब कहीं नहीं जा रहा मैं अभी घर जाके क्या करेंगे घर जाने के बाद
हेलो 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 हेलो
क्या हो रहा है श्रीनिवास जी?
सर जी बहुत बढ़िया। आप कहाँ थे?
मैं नहीं गया।
कब आए?
3 दिन हुआ
अभी नहीं।
This thing you're supposed to distribute at the last, not from the beginning. Who told you?
Which one is this one?
खाइबा इन्हें लगा नहीं रात में सामने खाइबा लगा नहीं क्या दिया अमोडू मैं ना खाई दिया उनको किंतु रात में सामने खाइबा कुछ मना करो
This is tea. We have covered with sugar.
जय श्री जगन्नाथ
We cover it.
Winter is a good time. My family was there 2-3 months back. I discussed with Mr. Biswas. वो भैया जब गए थे तो आपसे बात करा था ना मैंने अभी वही जगन्नाथपुरी हाँ 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 हाँ
ये इंडियन कॉन्सुलेट है यहाँ पे। 2006 तक ये हाई कमीशन हुआ करता था।
जिस पल का हमें इंतजार था, जिस पल का हमें इंतजार था, वो लम्हा अभी आ चुका है। आइए करतल ध्वनि के साथ हम स्वागत करते हैं हमारे श्री श्री गजपति महाराज। It's arrived now. Requesting everyone, please to keep your phones in silent mode.
कल जो है सो 26 जनवरी में भी लोग आप लोग
एक्सप्लेन कर
This is only this much, or there is something else, some more inside?
No, actually due to
इतना ही है as a part of the exhibition.
Actually, we did it in temple in 1st April during Utkal Divas in alliance with Consulate General of India. We did a program last year, the big
yeah, that time it was a big
This is just a glimpse of that.
सकारात्मक विचार के साथ
Our
आज की
honorable
संध्या का
CJ
हम
supported
शुभारंभ
the
करेंगे।
event.
भगवान श्री जगन्नाथ जी की परंपरा से जुड़े हुए
Just to
एक सुंदर कथा
this
से
is like Puri, Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Mayurbhanj, Cuttack, Korapur, and also in that side we are showing art and music art.
And there were young children explaining those districts separately.
Very good. Especially the Raghurajpur, the paint.
बात करते हुए उनकी हम सौभाग्य लिए हुए आइए भगवान की चरण में ध्यान करके आज का कार्यक्रम का शुरुआत करते हैं। मैं सभी से निवेदन करूंगी कृपया खड़े हो जाने के लिए। Now I am requesting my co-host Mrs. Priyadarshini Balrai, please come on the stage.
Not in the consulate, but I have.
तंत्र के साथ मैं आप सभी का आदर स्वागत करती हूँ। गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, a very warm welcome to all of you. I am Priyadarshini and it's an honor to be hosting this event for you all today. I am grateful to everyone for your valuable time to this event. अभिनंदन। विश्व की सबसे सुंदर भाषा हिंदी में कहना चाहूँगी। हृदय की गहराई से यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी गणमान्य अतिथियों, आज की शुभ संध्या में मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन प्लीज गिव ए बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एंड चारों तरफ है खुशियों की लहर, चारों तरफ है खुशियों की लहर, हर तरफ रहे हमारे प्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ जी की मेहर। बरसे आप सभी की जय श्री जगन्नाथ। एक बार सब जोर से बोलिए जय श्री जगन्नाथ। पुनः नमस्कार एवरीवन, आई एम शर्मिष्ठा दास and I am delighted to be a hostess on this very special occasions. Ladies and gentlemen, जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, कोई भी शुभ कार्य के शुरुआत हमेशा दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ और भगवान की नाम के साथ किया जाता है। So let us begin today's event by lighting our auspicious lamp. हमारे विश्व की और एक परंपरा के साथ मैं निवेदन करना चाहूँगी, अतिथि देव भव। पूरे श्रद्धा, सम्मान और नम्रता पूर्वक आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट श्री श्री गजपति महाराजा and our Rani Ma, Sri Leelavati, and our Head of Consul General Sir, Mr. K. Chandramouli Sir, and Madam, Head of Chain Sri, Mr. N. Mahesh Sir, and our Ocean President, Mr. and Mrs. Ramesh Malik. आप सभी का मंच पर दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए स्वागत है। एक बार पृथ्वी से आकाश की ओर, पदार्थ से सूक्ष्म की ओर, प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर एक प्रयास, ज्ञान से अज्ञान की ओर। अतिथियों, इट्स बिलीव द लैंड प्लाइटिंग इज वेरी पॉजिटिव wherever it is lead। मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी हमारे सभी अतिथियों। आप सभी को निवेदन है, कृपया ताली से हमारे अतिथि को स्वागत कीजिए। Now I would like to request my co-host to continue. अनेकता में एकता इस देश की शान है, इसीलिए मेरा भारत महान है। Now I would like to request everyone to raise up for the national anthem with gratitude to show respect towards our nation.
भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
धन्यवाद। Once again I would like to request everyone to please give a standing tribute towards our state national anthem Bande Utkala Janani।
भारत माय सुशोभित कण कण मुखरित चारु विहंगे
जननी 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 वन्दे उत्कल जननी
उत्कल जननी।
Thank you. Thank you. I would like to over to Mrs. Samishta. General. To announce and present the bouquet to Sri Gajapati Maharaja and Maharani. Gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. Now I am requesting Mr. and Mrs. Vishwajit Parija to offer the bouquet to our Honorable CGI, Mr. and Mrs. Neeta Khan. Now I would like to call upon Mr. and Mrs. Ramesh Malik to offer the shawl to our Honorable Sri Gajapati Maharaja and Maharani. I kindly request Mr. and Mrs. Anand Sabat to present the soul, Mr. and Mrs. Khan. Even I would like to request Mr. Ramesh Vishwal Bhai, please come on the stage, our Ocean Trustee member. I kindly request Mr. Ashok Naik to offer the shawl to our respected head of constituency, Mr. N. Maheshwar. Now I would like to request Mr. Anand Bhai, Anand Kumar, please come on the stage. Audience, please put a big round of applause. I kindly request अतिथियों, कृपया अपना कृषि ग्रहण कीजिए। जय श्री जगन्नाथ।
Thank you.
Thank you, my deepest gratitude. To request all the participants for Angan Mangala Charana, please come to the backstage.
Namaste. Welcome back.
मंगलाचरण का अर्थ है भगवान से प्रार्थना करना है कि वो हमारे कार्य को मंगलमय बनाए, हमें शक्ति, शांति और सकारात्मक मुद्रा आकांक्षा त्रिपाठी and आकांक्षा पात्रा. Ladies and gentlemen, please put a big round of applause.
कदाचित् कालिन्दी तटविपिन संगीत करबो मुदा भीरिन दीवलन कमल स्वाद मधुपः रमा सम्पूर्ब्रह्मा सुरपति गणेशार्चितपदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुरेव महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
Thank you for the divine performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put a big round of applause for our
जगन्नाथ स्वामी की महिमा अपार है। जैसे जैसे हम इन भजनों को सुनते हैं ऐसे प्रतीत होता है मानो प्रभु स्वयं हमें अपना आशीर्वाद दे रहे हों। आइए सुनते हैं।
निखिल करता है विश्व विधाता, तुम्हें ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ दिव्य ज्योति परम गति। आहे प्रभु जगन्नाथ, श्री जगन्नाथ, श्री जगन्नाथ, श्री जगन्नाथ। जगन्नाथ मोरे जगन्नाथ, जगन्नाथ त्रेतया करे सत्य कलिकाल जुगे जुगे जगन्नाथ। स्वर्गे जगन्नाथ मोरे जगन्नाथ, जगन्नाथ करे सत्य कलिकाल जुगे जुगे जगन्नाथ। तुम चिरंतन, तुम सर्वव्यापक, तुम चिरंतन, तुम सर्वव्यापक, नहीं तुम आदि अंत। जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ, आय जगन्नाथ प्रभु जगन्नाथ। सृष्टि तुम्हें ही लय, तुम्हें ही मुक्ति पथ, तुम्हें ही विगत, तुम्हें वर्तमान, तुम्हें पर भविष्यत। तुम्हें ही सृष्टि तुम्हें ही लय, तुम्हें ही मुक्ति पथ।
Jagannath always guide us. Dance, as a part of its culture, beautifully reflects the energy, devotion, and joy of
सर्वांगी सुंदर उटी शेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
For fulfilling our hearts with devotion and making occasions more memorable. Please put a very big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our talented dancers, the Kellar Samaj, with a big round of applause for a devotional dance. This dance performance believed to bring an ush. देविका मिथुन, धन्या संतोष, कर्तिका हरिकुमार, स्वर्णप्रभा, प्रीति शर्मा, रजिता कुमार, शौर्या गिरीश।
तुम्बी कई लौके नीरज
അമ്പല ഗോപുര നടയിലൊരാന കൊമ്പനെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടേ മുമ്പു മുതൽക്ക് ആനയിലിത്തിരി കമ്പനെനിക്കുണ്ടേ അമ്പല ഗോപുര നടയിലൊരാന കൊമ്പനെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടേ മുമ്പു മുതൽക്ക് ആനയിലിത്തിരി കമ്പമെനിക്കുണ്ടേ മുമ്പിൽ തുമ്പു തുളഞ്ഞു വളഞ്ഞൊരു തുമ്പിക്കരമുണ്ടേ കണ്ട മരത്തിൽ കിളകളെല്ലാം തീണ്ടാൻ ബലമുണ്ടേ മുമ്പിൽ തുമ്പു തുളഞ്ഞു വളഞ്ഞൊരു തുമ്പിക്കരമുണ്ടേ കണ്ട മരത്തിൽ കിളകളെല്ലാം തീണ്ടാൻ ബലമുണ്ടേ വളരെ ചെറുതാം കണ്ണുകളുണ്ട് വലിയൊരു വയറുണ്ട് വളഞ്ഞു നീണ്ടും വെളുത്തു കൂട്ടും വളർന്ന കൊമ്പുണ്ട് വളരെ ചെറുതാം കണ്ണുകളുണ്ട് വലിയൊരു വയറുണ്ട് കാറ്റത്തിളകും ചേമ്പിരമാലി കാറുകളുണ്ട് കാറ്റത്തിളകും ചേമ്പിലമാതിരി കാറുകൾ രണ്ടുണ്ടേ കാലുകളെന്ന കറുത്തരലിങ്കൽ തോടുകൾ നാലും വെളുത്ത ഭസ്മക്കുറി പോൽ നെറ്റിയിലിത്തിരി പാണ്ടുണ്ടേ കറുത്ത നിറമാണുടലും കാലും കഴുത്തുമെല്ലാലും വെളുത്ത ഭസ്മക്കുറി പോൽ നെറ്റിയിലിത്തിരി പാണ്ടുണ്ടേ കാലിൽ കുടലു കിലുങ്ങുന്നുണ്ട് കാലിളകുന്നുണ്ടേ ആനക്കൊമ്പനയാകപ്പാടെ കാണാനഴകുണ്ടേ ഭൂതനാഥനായി ഭാർഗഭൂതലേ വരികയരികിലായി തരിക മംഗളം ശുദ്ധരാഗമീ മധ്യമാവതി മംഗളപ്രിയം രാഗലോലുപം ശുഭപുരത്തിലും മംഗളമൂർത്തേ ദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തേ മംഗളം ശുദ്ധരാഗമീ മധ്യമാവതി നർത്തനപ്രിയം രാഗലോലുപം സർവമംഗളം നിത്യമംഗളം മംഗളം ജയമംഗളം മംഗളം ജയമംഗളം മംഗളം ജയമംഗളം.
A big thank you to the Kerala Samaj group for the bringing the divine energy of devotion to the life through the dance. To moving on, group dance by Osan Kids with the patriotic song. Let us sing Farida, Divyanshi Dhar, Akanksha Tripathi.
ओ सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी
तालियों के साथ हमारे बच्चों को उत्साहित कीजिए। Ladies and gentlemen, तालियों की ताली हो रही है।
नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन की सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर दिखाएंगे। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सलाम सफलाम अलैहि सलाम शामलाम वंदे मातरम। सलाम सफलाम अलैहि सलाम शामलाम वंदे मातरम।
Let's give a very big round of applause to the wonderful performance. जय हिंद, सभी एक जोर से बोलिए जय हिंद। Now I would like to invite guides with us.
जय जगन्नाथ। महामहिम गजपति महाराजा श्री दिव्य सिंह देव, Honorable Consul General of India to Nigeria Sri Chandramouli Khan, HOC Sri N. Maheshji, distinguished trustees and OSAN executive members, presidents of ICA, IPF, IWA and various Samas, leaders from business communities and all our cherished family members, esteemed guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening and a warm welcome all of you to this special gathering with Mahamahim Gajpati Maharaj Ji, as we celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our beloved India also. This day holds immense significance for every Indian, as it marks the adoption of our Constitution in 1950, which laid the foundation of our democracy, embodying the values of justice, equality and liberty. It is a day to honor the sacrifices of those who fought for our independence and to reaffirm our commitment to building a prosperous and inclusive nation. Tonight, we are deeply privileged to have Gajpati Maharaj Divya Singh Dev, the esteemed King of Puri and the foremost servitor of Lord Jagannath, along with his gracious wife, Srimati Leelavati Devi Ji. Your Highness, your visit to the holy soil of Nigeria is a moment of pride and joy for the Odia and Indian communities here. You are not just a custodian of Odisha's spiritual and cultural heritage, but a living symbol of a unity, tradition and devotion. Your work in promoting Odia culture, Lord Jagannath's teaching and the values of service inspire all of us. As we come together to mark this historic day, let us reflect on the ideal of democracy and brotherhood that guides us as an Indian. This occasion reminds us of our responsibility to uphold our rich cultural heritage while fostering harmony and collaboration between our communities both here and back home. Mahamahim Gajpati Maharaj's visit and the Republic Day of India is not just a day of celebration, but a reminder of our shared responsibility to contribute to the welfare of the society we live in. By uniting as a community, we strengthen our bonds with each other and with our host nation Nigeria, building a bridges of mutual respect, cultural exchange and progress. Let us honor our past, cherish our present and together aspire to create a brighter and more inclusive future for the generation to come. welcome once again for being here and making this celebration unforgettable. Together, let us uphold the values that define us as Indians and Odias, no matter where we are in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Odisha. I would like now to call up on stage our Honorable CGI, Mr. K. Chandramouli Kanji, to share his thoughts today's event.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put a very big round of applause. Our Honorable Mr. K. Chandramouli sir.
प्रणाम, नमस्ते. Respected Gajpati Maharaj Divya Singh Dev, the esteemed King of Puri, respected Maharani Ji, distinguished dignitaries and beloved members of Odia community and other Indian communities present here. आप सभी को सादर नमस्कार. भारतीय कौंसलावास में आपका स्वागत है. उड़िया समाज ने महाराज जी के आने के शुभ अवसर पर और हमारे गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने के उपलक्ष्य में इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया और हम लोग बहुत प्रसन्न हैं कि इस तरह से सब लोग इकट्ठे हुए हैं और इसको समावेशी एक संस्कृति के रूप में लेते हैं. I, on behalf of the Indian community of Lagos, welcome Gajpati Maharaj and Maharani Ji formally. You have been welcomed by the community, but it is my responsibility to formally welcome you. I am honored on this occasion to address this august gathering, which is dedicated to the vibrant culture of Odisha and timeless heritage. Its timeless heritage. Odisha is the land of Jagannath, Lord Jagannath, our tradition, heritage, and family values. Odisha is often referred to as the soul of India. It is a place where spirituality meets creativity and innovation. You may be knowing that Odisha is becoming the hub of IT in Eastern India. It is growing very fast in that space. It is a state that has given us the traditional divinity of Lord Jagannath, the famous Rath Yatra, the poetry of Jayadev, Geet Govind, and the mesmerizing grace of Odissi dance, some of which we could see. It's a wonderful land. From the stunning architecture of Sun Temple of Konark and the Jagannath Temple in Puri, to the intricate artistry of Pattachitra. There were some on the display over there. Filigree jewelry and hand-woven ikat textiles. Odisha stands as a beacon of India's artistic and spiritual legacy. We have seen the performance today. Now I am looking forward, as like all others present here, to listen Gajpati Maharaj Ji and to, I would say, mesmerize in the knowledge about discourse on Jagannath. The Gajpati dynasty is not just a symbol of Odisha's spiritual heritage, but also a beacon of leadership, compassion, and continuity of tradition. Your presence here reaffirms the timeless connection between the crown and the culture of Odisha. The Odia diaspora of Lagos is very well organized and continues to uphold and share their tradition. An applause for Odia community here. Just by establishing Lord Jagannath Temple in Lagos, Nigeria, which has become a very focal point for the whole Indian community. They have shown that how do they love the tradition and cultural heritage of their land back home. मैं उड़िया समाज के स्थापना पूजा में भाग लिया हूँ और मैं बहुत आश्चर्यचकित हूँ कि इतने लंबे समय तक इतने लोग इस पूजा में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। महाराज, मैं आपसे बताना चाहूँगा कि ये लोग 8:30 बजे सुबह में बुलाए थे और रात के 9:30 बजे तक पूजा में थे हम लोग। छोटा मोटा बीच में ब्रेक देते हैं लेकिन लगातार पूजा चलता रहता है। तो बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से एक स्पिरिचुअल और रिलीजियस ढंग से उस पूजा को मनाया जाता है और आई एम वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट. I might not have done that had I not been in Lagos. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the organizers of today's event. I would like to name few. Sri Ramesh Biswal ji, he was guiding even from India when he was not here by that time. Sri Ramesh Malik ji, USAN President. Sri Anand Sawad ji, organizer. Sri Sanjay Das ji, where is he? He is the General Secretary, but he is more like a art and cultural repository of Oriya Samaj. So well done, sir. You have maintained it well. With this, I would now request everybody to keep silence during the discourse of Maharaj and let us take home whatever we can immerse the knowledge about Lord Jagannath. Thank you. Jai Shri Jagannath.
Thank you, sir. We greatly appreciate your sharing your thoughts with us. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please put a very big round of applause.
Honorable Mahamahim Gajapati Maharaj Sri Dibya Singh Dev Ji, Ranima, Honorable Consul General of India to Nigeria Sri Chandramouli K. Kanji, Honorable HOC Mr. N. Mahesh, all the President of various wonderful Samaj, ICA, IBF, Rotary, and other distinguished institutions, invited dignitaries, my brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud and privilege that I am fortunate enough to introduce the Gajapati Maharaj Ji himself. Gajapati Maharaj Sri Dibya Singh Dev is the lineal descendant of the erstwhile kings of Odisha, this is Utkal, who from the 12th century till the middle of 16th century ruled as the paramount sovereign over the extensive kingdom on the eastern seaboard of India, stretching from river Ganga in the north to river Godavari in the south. One of the illustrious kings of the dynasty, Maharaja Chodaganga Deva, started the construction of the present magnificent temple of Lord Jagannath at Puri Dham in the beginning of 12th century, which was completed later by his successor Maharaja Ananga Bhima Deva. This temple is one of the largest Hindu temple and is regarded as one of the among the four most sacred shrines for Hindus around the world. Among the four dhamas, most secret centers of pilgrims for Hindus, Sri Jagannath Dham Puri is the principal dhama for Eastern India. The Gajapati kings, as the paramount sovereign ruler of Kingdom of Utkal, which is now Odisha, were also the supreme authority in the management of affairs of Sri Jagannath Temple. According to ancient traditions and custom, They performed ritualistic seva before Lord Jagannath at his Adya Sevak, the first servitor, and dedicated their entire kingdom with all its resources at the lotus feet of the Lord. From the middle of 16th century, the political power and the position of Gajapati kings gradually dwindled as they had to accept the suzerainty first of the Afghans and Mughals and then the Maratha powers. In the beginning of the 19th century, when they unsuccessfully tried to resist the occupation of their kingdom by the English forces of the East India Company, the Gajapati kings, however, continued to remain in charge of the affairs of Sri Lord Jagannath's temple as its sole trustee. After the independence of India, the state government of Odisha enacted a special legislation in 1955 and then in 1960 to took over the management of the temple from Gajapati Maharaj Veerakeshwar Deva, who is the father of the current present Gajapati, Sri Dibya Singh Deva. Sri Gajapati Maharaj is the hereditary chairman of Sri Jagannath Temple Managing Committee, the statutory trust board of the temple. Since the demise of his father, Gajapati Maharaj Veerakeshwar Deva, in 1970, Gajapati Maharaj Sri Dibya Singh Deva has been performing the traditional religious seva as Adya Sevak of Lord Jagannath in the same manner as his predecessors since ancient time. At the same time, he is discharging statutory duties as chairman of Sri Jagannath Temple Managing Committee. Sri Gajapati Maharaj is a graduate from St. Stephen College and Faculty of Law, Delhi University, which is BA, BLLB from 1969 to 75, and has completed his master's degree in law from Northwestern University in Chicago, USA. He has done LLM 1975 to 1976. In addition to his traditional and statutory duties in Sri Jagannath Temple, Puri, Sri Gajapati Maharaj has been actively engaged over the last 54 years in promoting and participating in innumerable religious and spiritual activities in India and abroad. His wife, Maharani Sahiba Leelapati Patamahadevi, is from Jammu and is related distantly to the royal family of Jammu and Kashmir. They have been blessed with 4 daughters. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to our Gajapati Maharaj, Sri Dibya Singh Deva. I hereby request Mr. Ramesh Vishwal to escort Sri Gajapati to the stage. While Sri Gajapati ji is coming to the stage, listening to him carefully and maintain pinch of silence. Thank you so much. Sri Jagannath, Bande Utkaladani, Jai Hind.
सम्मान के साथ हमारे श्री श्री गजपति महाराज के लिए एक नम्रता और श्री जगन्नाथ जी को डेडिकेट होकर थोड़ा तालियां बजा लीजिए।
नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। His Excellency the Consulate General Chandramoleshwar ji and his wife Mrs. Chandramoleshwar, members of the Indian community in Lagos. To be frank, I feel very uncomfortable sitting on this chair. As you know, there is no kingship now. We are in an independent, democratic country. We are all citizens of India. I do not know why the word king is still used. However, just like everyone does a job, having been born in a particular place, in a particular situation, so this body has been born in the family which is serving Lord Jagannath. At one time, of course, there were the ancestors in this family, the predecessors in this family were sovereign kings, as you heard. At the same time, they were servants of Lord Jagannath. As a matter of fact, this is not something unique to Utkal Pradesh or Odisha. This is an integral part of Sanatana Vaidika Dharma, which is the culture of Odisha, of India. Travel south or north or east or west, we will find that since Vedic times, of course in the Puranas we have got plenty of data, but even in modern times, pre-independence era, we find that in the kingdoms, in the major kingdoms, the king would be the servant of the Lord, the presiding deity. So also in the tradition of Lord Jagannath. We are here today celebrating Odisha Cultural Evening. I would like to express my gratitude to His Excellency the Consulate General for this wonderful arrangement which has made it possible for all of us to share a few moments, hopefully connecting with Lord Jagannath. Now, cultural evening, the word culture has got many connotations, many definitions, but in the context that we are trying to understand it, we can try to explain it by a set of values which cultivates our character, our personality, makes us what we are. Whether it's the individual or the society at large or the nation. Just like the soil, the fertility of the plant, so also here the backdrop, the background, the quality of our culture determines who we are, what we want in life, what is our objective. So, looking at it from this context, broadly speaking, in the world today, we can divide our cultural context in two broad fields. One is the material culture and the other is the spiritual culture. Okay? The material culture understands that this world is real, there is nothing beyond the world that we experience. Therefore, whatever we want in our life to satisfy us, to make us attain our goals and objectives, is to be found in this world and this world alone. And that this world is real, and I am real, and I am nothing more than a complex of body, mind and intellect. Full stop. Nothing beyond that. And this world is there for my enjoyment, for my gratification of my senses. Full stop. There's nothing more to it. I'm here. When I die, I'm gone. There's nothing more. On the other hand, the spiritual culture looks at it from a totally different viewpoint. The spiritual culture understands, believes, has faith that this world is not the only reality. it is relatively real, but behind this world of samsara, the universe, whether we take this planet Earth or the entire universe, there is an absolute reality. And that reality permeates everything and permeates each one of us. That is how we are alive. That is why things move, things exist. And that spiritual essence, which is the fundamental core of the existence, we refer to as God, we refer to as the absolute truth, we refer to it as pure consciousness. It is that which makes everything possible, and that is the treasure house of all happiness, of all fulfillment. So, the happiness that we are seeking is really not to be found in this world experience, but is to be found in that which is behind this world experience, which is the absolute reality. That is the spiritual viewpoint. This body is an instrument of the Lord. This world, entire world, is an manifestation of that Lord. And unless and until we connect with that reality, we, as human beings, do not attain the goal of our human life. This is the spiritual viewpoint. And this, my friend, is the real India, the real Bharata. Bharata is the land of spirituality. The culture of Bharata is spiritual. Unlike the other parts of the world, which is totally materialistic, with materialistic ambitions, with materialistic pursuits, with only materialistic activities and nothing beyond that. But India believes at something deeper, something more subtler, something more durable, and that is spirituality. So, if we go back to the Vedic times, the ancient India, it is all spirituality. And mind you, spirituality is not a contradiction to materialism, no. The material existence, the material progress, the material prosperity is an integral part, an inbuilt part of spirituality. Leading ultimately to moksha. So kama and artha, our desires are fulfilled, and all the prosperity that we want is attained through the path of dharma. Does not feel that is the right thing to do. So let us go back to the ancient times, to the Vedic times, to the pre-Vedic times, to the Puranic times, and understand what is the spirituality of Bharata. At one time, and it is said now also, that Bharata at one time was the guru, the spiritual guru of humanity, of the whole world, and we are and we can manifest ourselves as such to spread the spiritual vibration, the spiritual knowledge, the spiritual culture around the world, which alone can achieve real peace, harmony, and universal brotherhood. Sanatana Vedic Dharma, which is the spirituality of India, has the necessary inputs whereby peace and harmony and universal brotherhood can be established in reality in a lasting, permanent manner between people and people, community and community, nations and nations, religions and religions. In other words, the concept of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Okay, so let us, without wasting more time, because we have very little time,